Corn.
Fun facts about corn. Corn, a staple food in many cultures around the world, is filled with interesting facts. Here are a few. Ancient origin. Corn is believed to have originated in Mesoamerica, particularly in the region now known as Mexico. Botanically a fruit. Despite being commonly referred to as a vegetable, corn is actually a fruit. A grain of truth. A single kernel of corn is technically a seed. Colorful variety. While yellow corn is the most common, corn comes in a variety of colors, including white, red, blue, and purple. Sweet corn versus field corn. Sweet corn is bred for its tender kernels, while field corn is primarily used for animal feed and industrial products. Popcorn's popping secret. The hard outer shell of popcorn contains a small amount of water. When heated, the water turns to steam, causing the kernel to explode. Cornmeal's many uses. Cornmeal is used to make a variety of foods, including cornbread, polenta, and tortillas. Cornstalk's many uses. Cornstalks can be used for animal feed, biofuel, and even building materials. Nutritional benefits of corn. Corn is a versatile grain that offers a variety of nutritional benefits. Here are some key advantages. Carbohydrates. Corn is a good source of complex carbohydrates, providing energy for the body. Fiber. It contains both soluble and insoluble fiber, which aids digestion, promotes gut health, and contributes to satiety. Of vitamins and minerals. Corn is a source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, B vitamins, iron, and magnesium. Antioxidants. It contains antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which may help protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration. A protein. While corn is primarily known for its carbohydrates, it also provides a moderate amount of protein. Specific types of corn, such as sweet corn and popcorn, may offer slightly different nutritional profiles. Corn-based meals, a global delight. Corn is a versatile ingredient used in countless dishes worldwide. Here are a few popular corn-based meals. North American favorites. Cornbread, a fluffy, sweet bread made with cornmeal. Cornbread stuffing, a classic Thanksgiving side dish made with cornbread, vegetables, and herbs. Corn on the cob, a simple yet delicious summer treat, boiled or grilled to perfection. A corn chowder, a creamy soup made with corn, potatoes, and bacon. Latin American delights. Tamales, corn husks filled with a mixture of cornmeal, meat, and vegetables. Arepas, cornmeal cakes that can be filled with various ingredients. Pozole, a hearty soup or stew made with hominy, a type of corn and meat. Asian inspiration. Corn fritters, crispy, deep-fried patties made with cornmeal and vegetables. A corn salad, a refreshing salad made with sweet corn, vegetables, and a tangy dressing. European twist. Polenta, a creamy dish made with cornmeal, often served with a sauce or stew. Cornmeal pancakes, a hearty breakfast option similar to traditional pancakes. Africa delight. Kenki is a popular Ghanaian swallow dish made from fermented corn dough. It's a staple food often served with a fish or meat stew. The fermentation process gives kenki a tangy, slightly sour flavor. Banku is a popular Ghanaian dish made from fermented corn and cassava dough. It's often described as a swallow, meaning it's a starchy food that is scooped up with the fingers and used to eat a sauce or stew. Corn flakes are a popular breakfast cereal made from flattened corn kernels. They're typically eaten with milk and often topped with sugar, fruit, nuts, or honey. Potential risks associated with corn consumption. While corn is generally considered safe to eat, there are a few potential risks to be aware of. Allergic reactions are rare. Some individuals may be allergic to corn, leading to symptoms like hives, swelling, or difficulty breathing. Prevention. If you experience any allergic symptoms after consuming corn, consult a healthcare professional. Mold and mycotoxins. Storage and processing. Improper storage or processing can lead to mold growth and the production of mycotoxins, which can cause illness. Prevention. Choose corn products from reputable sources and store them properly. High fructose corn syrup, HFCS. Processed foods. HFCS is a common sweetener found in many processed foods. Excessive consumption of HFCS has been linked to health concerns like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Prevention. Limit your intake of processed foods containing HFCS. Overall, corn is a nutritious and versatile food when consumed in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. By being aware of these potential risks and making informed choices, you can enjoy the benefits of corn without any negative consequences. Thanks for watching.